All right, so our next question is, well, what happened to spark the war? I mean, so far we have a bunch of countries in Europe that clearly don't like each other and are ready for war, but we don't have a specific reason for them to fight yet. So what set them off toward the big war? And the answer to that starts in this country here called Serbia. Serbia, as you can see, is right next to Austria-Hungary, and in June of 1914, 106 years ago this month, the leader of Austria, named the Archduke Franz Ferdinand, drove from Austria into Serbia's capital to proclaim that he wanted to colonize Serbia. And in response to that, a Serbian nationalist shot the Archduke. He said, I don't want to be part of Austria Hungary, I want to be Serbia. He shot the Archduke and his wife. Now, in response to that, Austria Hungary declared war on Serbia. And Russia said, don't declare war on Serbia. We have an alliance with Serbia. So Russia responded with a declaration of war against Austria-Hungary. But we still don't have a world war. For that to happen, we need the alliance system. So what happened next was the alliance system unraveled. First, Serbia and Russia and Austria get in the war, and then it unravels to everybody else. So what we see is that first this happens, and then this happens, and then Germany joins the fray to declare war against Russia. France responds by declaring war on Germany because of the Triple Entente, and England gets involved. And then all of their colonies get involved because of imperialism, creating a world war in which 10 million soldiers died and many more died due to the Spanish flu epidemic of 1918 to 1920. So we can see this headline here: war declared by all. Austria declares war on Serbia, declares war on Germany, declares war on France, declares war on Turkey, declares war on Russia, declares war on Bulgaria, declares war on Britain. Ottoman Empire almost declares war on itself. Nations struggle to remember allies. And here you see this headline: Area Drunkard declares war on Ireland. War unraveled and went everywhere. Okay, so when we think of causes of World War I, we started with four major causes: militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism. Those were from our DBQ. And now we have this spark, the assassination. If we wanted to mess with these letters a little bit, we could switch some around and get ourselves an acronym: MANIA.